Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that is sure to keep your little ones happy and healthy. Get ready for a delicious journey into the world of healthy food for kids. 10 lines on healthy food. The food we eat affects our bodies and our well-being. Though we have seen the rise of many popular diets that supposedly make us consume only healthy foods, these trends can be surprisingly unhealthy. Healthy foods are those that provide us with all the essential nutrients our body requires. Scientists have held many types of research that indicate that eating unhealthy food leads to severe diseases. Eating healthy can increase our health, reduce the chances of developing severe conditions like cancer and heart disease, and help build a robust immune system. A healthy diet improves our overall health and keeps us in shape. Hence, it is necessary to eat healthy food throughout our lives consciously. 1. Healthy foods are foods that fill up our stomachs and provide us with energy. 2. Vegetables are very healthy foods for our bodies. 3. Healthy foods keep our bodies disease-free. 4. We should eat food that has vitamins and minerals, and avoid junk food. 5. Eating unhealthy food can make us fall sick. 6. Food items like vegetables, fruits, milk, nuts, etc. have many vitamins that keep us healthy. 7. If we eat healthily, we can live a long and happy life. 8. We can perform our best if we eat healthy food. 9. Eating packed foods can easily lead to problems like toothache, stomachache, etc. 10. By eating healthy food and exercising, we can avoid most diseases. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and happy.